Hi and welcome to Sartorial Tutorials with Eton. I'm Lalle Johnson and today I'm going to show you how to tie a tie. In my opinion, there is only one tie knot you need to know, and that's the 4-in-hand. It's been around forever and it's still very modern. Also, it's extremely versatile and easy to tie. Let us show you how to do it. Place the tie around your neck with the wider side to your left, hanging a little lower, just above the belly button. Pull the wide end over to the right. Now, bring it under and to the left, then back over the front to the right. From underneath, pull it up into the neck loop. Pull down through the loop in the front. Create a dimple. Fold and squeeze the wide end just below the knot. Tighten and adjust. I like a tight knot that is a little asymmetric. Thank you guys for today, and if you want to see some more from Sartorial Tutorials with Eton, don't forget to subscribe.